Hi everyone, this video provides you with an overview of how to use direct character formatting in LibreOffice Writer. Formatting is applied to a selection. Use Ctrl+A for the entire document or click and drag for specific text. Change font and font size from their respective drop-down menus. Here are some standard styles. To make the text bold, select the text you want to change. Click on the B icon in the toolbar. To italicize, select the text and click the I icon in the toolbar. To underline with different line styles, select the text and choose from the line styles in the drop-down menu. To strike through, select the respective text and click on the strike through icon in the toolbar. To apply superscript or subscript, select the text and click on the respective icon in the toolbar. The font color changes the font's color. The highlighting tool changes the background color. Both are accessed via the drop-down menus for a full palette. Remove all direct formatting with the eraser icon. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.